All right, gentlemen, you're up first.
Okay.
You have 30 seconds. The lightning round begins. Stop it. Now, what was Monica's nickname when she was a field hockey goalie?
Big fat goalie.
Correct. Rachel claims this is her favorite movie.
Dangerous Liaisons.
Correct. Her actual favorite movie is...
Weekend at Bernie's.
Correct. In what part of her body did Monica get a pencil stuck at age 14? Oh. No! Her ear! All right, Monica categorizes her towels. How many categories are there?
Everyday use. Fancy. Guest. Fancy guest.
2 seconds.
11.
11. Unbelievable. 11 is correct.